industrial revolt in India, which shook the very foundation of company rule in India. The British historians regard it as a purely military revolt, while Indians regard it as the first war of independence. So, on this auspicious day, we are going to highlight the sacrifices of our leaders in giving us freedom.
Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was the Queen of Jhansi and one of the national heroines of the first war of Indian independence. As a lady, she proved herself and fought till the end in the battlefield till her last breath.
Hai Hai Mahadev! Hai Hai Mahadev!
Begum Hazrat Mahal, the wife of Nawab Ali Shah, was one of the moving spirits of Indian independence. As a woman, she fought fiercely and encouraged her troops.
Bikaji Kama, also known as Madam Kama, was one of the leaders of the Indian national movement. She is often called the mother of Indian Revolution.
Savitribai Jyotirao Phule. She was a national reformer. She was also included in the freedom well-known fight. She was also a poet and played an important role in the improvement of women's rights.
Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi, lovingly known as Ba to all Indians, was not just Gandhiji's wife. She was his friend, helpmate and soulmate who taught him many important lessons in life. She helped her husband in the cause of indigo workers in Champaran, Bihar and the No Tax campaign in Gujarat. Ba taught hygiene, discipline, reading and writing to women and children.
Annie Besant, an Irish woman who was a freedom fighter, women's rights activist and a good orator. She loved the land of India and fought for their rights.
Vijayalakshmi Pandit, the younger sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. She became the president of the Save the Children Fund Committee started by All India Women's Conference.
Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a poet, philosopher and a freedom fighter. She was called the Nightingale of India because of her sweet voice. She brought women out of the kitchen, taught them self-respect and convinced them of the need to fight for the motherland. She is the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress.
Indira Gandhi is one of the most remarkable personalities of modern India. She played her part in the freedom struggle by organizing the Vanar Sena team of boys and girls.
Mangal Pandey, a sepoy in the English East India Company, who is today regarded as the man who provided the spark to set alight the Indian independence movement. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was one of the most prominent faces of the Indian freedom struggle. He actively participated in the freedom struggle and he was convicted and hanged at the age of 23.
Swami Vivekananda was an Indian Hindu monk and chief disciple of the 19th century Saint Ramakrishna. He was a major force in the revival of Hinduism in India and contributed to the concept of nationalism in colonial India. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Math, the Ramakrishna Mission. He travelled to the United States representing India.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a social reformer and a patriot, did laudable work in the field of improving the lot of women. He removed the evil practice of sati from the society. To improve the status of women, he demanded for them the right of inheritance of property.
I fight for women empowerment and I want equality in this country. Jai Hind!
Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a multifaceted personality who said his famous words, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it inspire an entire generation of freedom fighters to make sacrifices for the motherland."
Subhash
Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the icons of the freedom movement. He was a born leader, and it was this quality in him that won him the title of Netaji. He remains one of the great heroes of the independence movement and one of the most valiant of India's icons.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, is one of the most famous and most loved of all the freedom fighters. He was one of the builders of modern India. November 14th is celebrated in India as Children's Day in memory of this great statesman.
Mahatma Gandhi was a saint, a reformer, a politician, a statesman, a great organizer, and a mass leader. He had spent about 22 years from 1893 to 1915 in South Africa. There, he had fought for the rights of the Indians and succeeded in his mission.
The three tools that I use for independence: Satyagraha, Ahimsa, and non-violence. I request all of you to follow them.
B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, was also a good reformer. From the beginning to the end of his life, he preached against the caste system and fought for the rights of the untouchables and downtrodden. The work he had done for the eradication of the caste system and the upliftment of the untouchables made his name immortal in the annals of history. Now we have our dearest Prime Minister, Narendra Modi.
Dear friend, I'm sure that you've heard again and again that cleanliness is next to godliness. Alas, it turns out to be different when we try to put this into practice. On 2nd October, we launched the Swachh Bharat mission, a massive mass movement which seeks to create a clean India. Cleanliness was very close to Mahatma Gandhi's heart. So this is the biggest tribute we can make to pay Bapu on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019. On 2nd October, I myself have set out with a broom to clean the streets and contribute towards this task. Now I urge every one of you to spend at least 100 hours towards cleanliness, that is 2 hours a week. I appeal every one of you to wholeheartedly contribute and give your active support. Jai Hind.
Now we have a dance coming up put up by the students. Now we have a dance put up by the junior students.
Mic